So because those bees were bringing in pollen into the swarm box earlier, it tells me they've got eggs and larvae. So they've been there a few days, which means they have oriented to that spot. So my thing is, I just clip the branch, cover the entrance. It forces them to slowly come out and then reorientate to this new position. I know in the morning I'll be transferring the bees, but they could be up and out at 5 o'clock in the morning when it's sunny, and a lot of them could go back to the other position, and I don't want that to happen. So that's how I do it. Have a good one.